Today's math lesson is lesson 2 in module 1, and the objective of the lesson is to relate multiplication to an array model. So today in class we talked about arrays and how they explain and solve multiplication problems. So I'm going to do number 6 from their homework, and the students are welcome to watch this video and do number 6 in their books at home. Roger has a collection of stamps. He arranges the stamps into 5 rows of 4. And you need to draw an array to represent the stamps and then write a multiplication equation to describe the array. So today in class we talked about rows going this way. These are rows. And so if you have 5 rows, and you have a stamp in each row, there are your 5 rows. And then in each row there are 4. So I have to put 4 stamps in each row. So when I do that, I have 5 rows of 4. 5 rows of 4 is the same thing as 5 times 4. And as you can see, an array, and we talked about this today, is a rectangular arrangement. So there's your rectangle, and if you counted all the stamps total, there would be 20. So here is your multiplication equation, here is your array, and that would be how you do number 6 for the homework.